Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's a girl Z Face and I'm back with another video. So today I have this very cute baby girl with me here, and I'm just about to transform her for her to go to a wedding. So I'm just priming her eyelids with my elegant pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan. I already did her brows. I'm going to put up this brow tutorial after I have this video because I got a lot of comments from these brows on Instagram and everybody was like, oh, the brows on fleek, the brows on fleek. Yes. Then after blending all of that out, I'm going into my Pariah palette and I'm using this it's some sort of orangey powder shade. I'm going to leave the name in the description box down below, and I'm just placing that onto her eyes. I'm kind of like setting her eyes, like setting the concealer that I have there, and I'm just moving that color towards her eye because that is what I'm going to actually be working with. Okay, so next I'm going into this light brown color from the same palette, and I'm just blending that into her contour area of her eyes and moving that towards her crease just lightly. Guys, I didn't really want this eyeshadow look to be just like harsh. I just wanted something very soft. Then I went back into that orangey color and I just placed it where I usually put my main color. I told you guys I wanted something very soft, just to give it a very soft look. Like I didn't cut any crease, you know, just give it that soft sweet glam. I'm just blending everything together, and then next I'm going into my Blossom highlighter and I'm just going to put that onto her inner tear duct, and then after that I'm just going to line her eyes with my Karité matte eyeliner.
Girl, you want me island too. Beauty now your body gives me ice can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Wait. She says she want the rundown. Bad man, I mean the rundown. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down.
The next to line her waterline, I'm using my Million Pauline black gel liner to just line her waterline, and that's basically it for the eyes, guys. Right now I'm just wiping off all the fallouts that she has on her face. Then I'll go into my Pond's primer. You guys know my favorite. And I'm just going to put that all over her face. And then for foundation, I'll be using this MAC in NW45, okay, to just put that all over her face and blend with my RT brush. All right.
I'll give you all the things that nobody can stand. Yeah, I want anything. Hurricane, yeah, I want you One, two, I put it on you. Everything I do, then I do it for you. Two, get it on you. Look the way you want, now put it on me. 1, 2, I put it on you. Everything I do, then I do it for you. Two, get it on you. Love the way you want, yeah, put it on me. Don't know. Liquid bad man on the instrument. I feel it there one time. Body, baby, yeah. Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. Vehicles. Let's go. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Stand the hurricane. Yeah, I want it me do. Hurricane. Yeah, I want you. Tell them I'm the real.
So after doing all of that, I'm going to contour her face using this my cream contour palette. I'm using this very dark shade to just, you know, contour the areas that I always contour, then blend out that contour using this very cute brush. Then for highlights, I'll be using this ZKL cosmetic concealer in the shade, I've forgotten the shade name, guys. I'm going to leave it down in the description box. And I kind of felt like this concealer was too light for her. And this concealer, guys, it dries off really quickly. I had no idea, like, it really dries off, so blending was kind of difficult, okay, and plus it was too white to work with. So when I blended that out and I saw that it couldn't go, okay, it couldn't work well, I went into my Elegant Pro concealer in the shade Warm Honey. At least it was darker than this ZKL concealer. So after blending that, I'm just going to take my Elegant Pro concealer, the shade Warm Honey, to just tone that down, okay, and to make the blending process easy, because my ZKL concealer had already dried up, okay, before I even wanted to blend out my concealer. Yes, so if you're working with ZKL concealer, be very, in fact, ZKL products as a whole, be very careful. You want to blend as you put, okay, be very careful, guys.
Say she no want waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me feel lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Giving her the vibe. Say she wanna roll, moving all her body. Say she don't wanna go. Bad man's on the floor. People them applause, singing and rapping. I'ma be killing on the floor. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. I'ma give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the things that nobody can. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. 1, 2, I put it on you.
So after that, of course, you guys know the next step. I'm going to my Sacha Buttercup setting powder to just set all the areas that I highlighted, okay.
It's Vehicles.
Love the way you want to put it on me. Don't know. Bad man on the instrument. I give it them one time. Baby, yeah. Lego. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time, it's a bad man thing. It's body, baby. Vehicles, let's go.
Vehicles.
I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like nobody can. And I'll give you all the.
Then right now, I'm just contouring her face using this very dark brown color that I have in my Pariah palette. Oh my gosh, she really looks so fine. Ooh.
Yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you.
So guys, I didn't know my camera stopped recording, but I lost the footage of how I blended out that powder. But you guys have watched my videos, you guys already know how I blend out powder, right? So it's very easy. So I'm just applying blush onto her cheeks, blending all that out with some powder because it was too much. Then I'm just going to go right into my blossom highlighter. No, I didn't use my blossom highlighter to highlight her face. I used this random highlighter I got from the drugstore to highlight her face because I felt like the blossom highlighter was too dark for her, okay. So I'm mixing these two colors to just highlight her cheeks, her cubicle, her nose. Yes, yeah.
Nobody can, and I'll give you all the things that nobody can. I'ma make you bounce like a hurricane. I'ma make your bed rock like a hurricane. I'ma do it like.
And her brow bone area, guys. Will you guys believe that's what I was actually looking for? Her brow bone area.
I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you. Girl, you are me island queen. Beauty now your body gives me eyes can see. Oh gosh, fire can cool. The way you want your body, get your fire can cool. Wait, she says she on the rundown. Bad man, I mean the rundown. Then I tell her my lady, my baby, make she calm down. Bad man na me, they run town.
So guys, for her lips, I'm using this ox blood color from Huda Beauty, and I'm using my small concealer brush to just, you know, put that, to just line her lips. Okay, to just help me line her lips properly well. Then after doing that, I'm going to go into this light shade of pink from my Anastasia Beverly Hills lipstick shade. Oh my god, I'm going to use this lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm just going to blend in those two colors together. You know what, just watch as I do the process, like just watch as I blend, guys. Okay, so right now I'm applying my pink lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I'm going back into my concealer brush to just, is it my concealer brush, well, my lipstick brush, to just blend in those two colors together. Like you guys, you need to blend. Okay, you don't want any harsh lines on your client's lips or on your baby girl's lips. Okay,
It's Features.
Love the way you want to put it on me. Don't know. Bad man on the instrument. I give it them one time. Baby. Yeah.
Let go. Yeah. Don't know. Oh yeah.
It's the original Batman.
One time. It's a bad man.
so after doing that, I went straight ahead into my mascara to just prep her eyes, and I'm going to be applying her lashes real quickly. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give me a big thumbs up. I totally love this look. Let me know what you think about this look in the comment section down below. See you guys in my next one. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Yeah, I want to meet you. Hurricane, yeah, I want to meet you.
Tell them I'm the realest, then they feel me. Killing on the rhythm, then they feel me. I'm always all about my business. I got my business, I will never ever finish. She know be one to test in my style. Say she wanna throw the dice, body looking nice. From my hips down to her thighs. Then I look her in her eyes.
One time, say she no one waste time. Bad man, me not give her one time, night time. Say she want me for lifetime. Bad man, me not give her the pipeline. Enter the place, they be feeling.